Alright, off to Portaloos in maybe some desalination water. There's a small EQ, but hey, that's alright. I think these are definitely our closest Portaloos. I haven't seen any others around here for some time. The army are doing a good job out here. Water.
What do you need? I've got milk, I've got fruit, and I've got fresh water.
Maybe some fruit. Might have some fruit.
Bananas and apples there.
Cool.
What you need? New vegetable.
Thank you. Cheers.
She's going to be a hard road, guys.
We will, that's for sure.
I've heard some of the engineers saying that, you know, it's not doable. They have to relocate it.
What part? What?
The infrastructure is so ruined that it would be better, more economic to build again.
Move over to Rickerton as the main part of the centre or something.
That's right.
Not like this and stuff here as well, guys. Don't need any.
Just in here, man.
Yeah.
Make sure I got all my lids on properly.
Got 4 apples for it.
4 apples, yay!